A and B, give me 5 signs I shouldn't trust the woman I'm dating. Excellent. 5 signs you should not trust a lady. Number one, she turns on disappearing message or clear up suspicious. This lady cuts the video once. Say no, no, I'm about to post this. Why you exposing me? The first sign you should not trust a lady is that she turn on disappearing messages or clear up messages from suspicious chats or strange numbers. If you are dating a lady and you discover after she chat with some suspicious number, she cleared the chat or she turned on disappearing message, that's a sign. Not there be that. All right? It's a very, very big red flag you want to pay attention to. You're dating a lady and you discover after chatting for so long with some person, she just cleared their chat. How do you know she cleared the chat? Go to our contact or maybe any of our messaging application which she often use in our Wafi here. We mostly use WhatsApp. All right, go to our WhatsApp and search number you know. This one we often chat with. You will see she must have wiped their chat. That's what this one is suspicious. There's stuff she's hiding for you. That's the sign you shouldn't trust a lady. Number two is she's emotionally open to every guy in the pretext of I'm nice, friendly, or popular. All right? You really don't want to trust a lady who is emotionally open to every guy out there in the name of I'm a nice person. When a lady loves you, she will respect you. And when a lady respects you, she will draw necessary boundaries. Are you get what I'm saying now? It doesn't mean when a guy comes, she will rebuke them. Don't test me. No. Ladies are like flowers, especially in their noon days. They would always be attracting. Guys would always come. But if she loves you, she will maturely organize herself to know how to go about things so it does not come between your relationship with her. Are you getting a sense of what I'm saying now? So the second sign you want to pay attention to is that this one is emotionally open to every guy. She smiles, flirt with every guy. That's a big red flag. She's not a good choice. The third sign I'll give you is she doesn't respect you. All right. One of the biggest red flag you want to pay attention to is a woman who don't respect you. And for you to know a woman respects you, number one is that she listens to you. Number two is that when she's wrong, she apologizes. Number two is that she does the things you like and avoid the things you does not. Are you getting set of what I'm saying now? When you see all of those signs, it's a proof that this one respects you. But when you see the opposite of it, that's a big red flag. There is no respect in that relationship. Amen. So you really don't want to trust a woman who does not respect you. And as a matter of fact, if you don't trust her, why should you be in relationship with her? Talk more of thinking of even getting married to her. Yeah, so you should not trust a woman who does not respect you. Number four is she's unsupportive even to the little things. All right? When a woman loves you, one of the things she does is she supports you to her possible best. Sometimes even without you asking. Amen. Sometimes she recommends, she suggests her help to you, even without you asking. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So, for example, let's say you want to get a stuff and you are shorting cash, right? A woman who loves you, she's aware of that. She would suggest also that she just give the help. She can even give you an ATM. I've seen a case whereby a guy goes to take a lady on a date only for the waitress to bring the bill and discover that this is beyond his pocket. And before he could show the sign, the lady has stretched her ATM card to the waitress. You know, that is a sign. This one cares. This one is supportive. You understand? But if she always say, I don't have money, I don't have the time, I don't, it's a lie. Whatever she's not giving you, she's giving it to somewhere else. All right? If she's not giving you her money, somebody else is taking it. If she's not giving you time and attention, somebody else is taking it. Whatever she's not investing in you, she's investing it in somewhere else. So you really want to pay attention to the support, to the little things. If she does not support you, even to the little things, she's giving that support to somewhere else, which means you are technically wasting your time. Thank you. Then number 5 is she's not open to you. In other words, she's highly protected of her privacy. She's highly protective, pardon. She's highly protective of her privacy. She keeps her phone. I mean, you don't even have that password. The day you know her password, the next week she have changed it. All right? She hides sensitive information from you. Most times you get to find out some important things about her from somebody else. For example, she just enrolled on an exam, you find out from a friend. For example, she just signed into a new job, you find out from somebody. That is a sign that she's not open to you. When a person loves you, one thing they do is that they put you first. I love God. That is why God comes first in all that I do. You understand? I can't say I love God and God is the least thing I think of when I want to make decision. That's not love. There's no honor there. Are you get what I'm saying now? So when a person loves you, they put you up front. They want to carry you along in their everyday activity. Amen. But when a woman is not open to you, and of course it goes both ways. All the lists I've given, if you want that of a man, you turn it in the other way and put a man there, you understand? And you get the answer you're looking for. So it goes both ways. When a person truly loves you, they carry you along in all that they do. They don't hide stuff from you. If she's always protective of her privacy, for example, her phone, that means something is going on. Amen. Amen. One of the signs I want to show you, this is a bonus point to the number 5 of these 5 signs you shouldn't trust her. One of the things you want to pay attention to for you to know she's hiding something for you is that take note of how she reacts when you walk into a room where she's on call or she's testing somebody. The moment she sees, she minimizes her shot. Something else is going on. The moment she sees, she lowers her voice. Something is going on. If her phone rings and she's afraid to pick the call in your presence, something is going on. If her phone rings and she wants to excuse herself to go pick the call, something is going on. Thank you. That is my answer to your question.